After SoftBank head honcho Masayoshi Son really embraced the government's Make in India program, here's another global CEO who is a fan of the Prime Minister Modi's pet project. And ET Now's Ashwin Mohan caught up exclusively with Henrik Ehrnrooth, who's the president and global CEO of KONE and the world's second largest elevator manufacturer, and also former Goldman Sachs veteran, who says that the government's policies on urbanization will trigger growth for the sector.
India is a very important market for us. It's the second largest new equipment market in our industry in the world. And we have continued to grow. We are a very strong player in the India market, and we continue to have strong growth ambitions here. And that you can see through the investments that we continue to make into this market.
You had the SoftBank head honcho coming recently to India and talking about how he wishes to be a part of the Make in India program. You have the Smart Cities program as well. Is KONE going to play an active role perhaps to be a part of these developing programs of the Indian government?
I would say yes. And we have to remember that we have been making in India for over 25 years, and now we're expanding that.
So you're old-timers in that sense.
We're old-timers in that sense. But also what is important to make in India is the development work we're doing here. As a very important part of our global technology is being developed in India today for use in other parts of the world. And as I said, we're expanding our footprint here, but also we're expanding our installation and service footprint throughout India.
What's your sense that you derive from the new Modi government? They've been in power for a year. They're a very aggressive government with clear-cut growth targets. What's the sense that you get from some of the economic policies that they have laid out?
We are seeing some very interesting and sound policies in how they are promoting sustainable urbanization, looking at smart cities, but also making sure that affordable housing is expanding to cater to a growing urban population. Because it's urbanization that is really the key growth driver in our industry.